we're going to Ashton Gate to watch Bristol City play Wrexham.
So we are going to our hometown tonight. We went to another Bristol stadium a couple of weeks back, didn't we? But that was Rovers to watch Plymouth beat them. So, but no, we're going to Ashton Gate tonight. So I've not been to Ashton Gate for quite a while. I've just been busy. You went down January? FA Cup third round.
Yeah.
What was the score?
5-1.
That was a good night out for you, that was. So we're watching Bristol City play Wrexham. What an absolute fairy tale it's been for Wrexham. They were non-league only about 3 years ago.
3 years ago, then they got promoted every single season they played in. They got promoted League 2, League 1, and now they're in the Championship.
And they're not just struggling in the Championship, they're actually pushing for promotion again. They're in 8th place. Bristol City, we started the season really, really well. We're in the playoffs for the first half of the season, but Bristol City have done their usual Christmas drop-off.
Yes.
Dropped to 9th. Now we're trying to get back in the playoffs. So we're only about 2 points off of the playoffs. Wrexham's directly above us. We want to see what this Wrexham team's all about, really, don't we? So
I like Wrexham.
You do like Wrexham. You used to watch the Ben Foster YouTube videos. Ben Foster, if you're watching, he used to watch your YouTube videos. So, yeah. Bristol City versus Wrexham. I really can't call this one. What do you think?
I'm not confident.
What do you think?
Wrexham are 1-0 loss.
A 1-0 loss?
Yeah.
You reckon it's going to be a 1-0 loss? Hard to see where the goals will come from City. Now they've sold Mehmeti in the transfer window, and that was surprising. Scott Twine free kick, maybe?
Possibly.
I'm going to say 1-0. 1-0? You say 1-0 loss. He's not very confident.
I haven't watched it in ages. Well, I watched them in the FA Cup. Watford put not a very good team up. So, anything can happen.
There's only one way we're going to find out, though.
Yeah, we beat Sheffield Wednesday 2-0.
We did.
Could have won at 5-0.
Should we jump in the car?
Yeah, let's go to Ashton Gate.
Let's go.
Watch Bristol City play Wrexham. Come on, boys.
So we're here at Ashton Gate. Declan's in. Who have we found, Declan? Now these two are actually Declan's teammates, and they're always down at Ashton Gate all the time. So what do you think so far?
Good.
It's a great view. Look at this view. Look at this. So should we chat to Seth? So Seth, what do you think the score's going to be?
2-1.
2-1. Declan, what did you say? Not you said a 1-0. Last you said. And Theo, what do you think? 3-2. 2-2. So there you are. So once again, Wrexham, they're on a bit of a fairy tale ride. We're going to see what it's all about. We've been down in the family area. He's even had to go with Connect 4 as well. Connect 4 at football ground. What's that all about? So anyway, we're ready to watch the game. Is anything left to do?
goal for Wrexham scored.
Ready? We're recording and 1.